it is here. Okay. So today I'm gonna get the car ceramic coated. Why are my bangs so thick? So today we're gonna get my car ceramic coated. We're gonna do some extra work. I have a couple things they need to fix, so we're gonna fix those. We're gonna add more pedals. I'm also going to get whatever residue is on my windows off. So I think we're gonna clay bar them. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. So let's hope I capture everything. And first things first, guess what it is? So they didn't have the purple cliche because I would have gotten the purple, but gold will do. Gold will do. So I'll see you all there because you know my thing. I gotta listen to my jams, okay? It's still raining and I'm pretty much here. I'm about a couple minutes away now. Let's see. Actually raining more over here than it was at my area. Oh, and to the Mercedes, homegirl, breathe the fuck lax, okay? You saw that there was people in front of me. Why do you think I'm gonna speed up if there's somebody, I'm already on their ass, and you're on mine? Back the fuck up. You hit me? Oh, by all means hit me, because then I could get all this shit painted. I had a rant. Yeah, you got, I was about to say, is she out there? Okay. Detail.
Yeah, if I get my nails done, I'm pretty sure I'll fuck up the inside of my. Yeah, you have to be careful. Nails.
Trying to get my phone in charge because my phone about to die. Taking over Chris's Milwaukee cart. She said it, not me. If you see this,
We're taking over all his extension cords and everything. First with the brake buster.
okay.
Like all entire the wheel and everything. Yep. You can get more in there. So this is like a soap. Like a soap, and then I would put more of this on the. So see how it starts like heavy? Yeah. And then it starts brown and brown. Yeah, it's very dirty. Purple is the purple means that it's iron. And the reason I do that, I do the rubber and then the iron is because all that iron is gonna mix with the soap, all that iron decon.
Yeah.
So if there's any other iron anywhere else, it's gonna like pick it up.
I
for
want
all
one
the
of
rims.
these. There's a lot of purple. ASMR. Oh wow.
Yeah, you can feel it too.
Yeah.
Should be good. If you use it and it's not foamy enough, just add more soap.
Okay.
That's how I think about it. Once you're like, you know it's watery, so
Yeah.
add more soap.
Okay.
Going in the cracks. I'll go in the cracks and crannies. So you feel like there's like stuff in your stuff. This brush works great like So we're going to use PNS paint surface coating. Oh, do you want to start doing the parts on the bottom? Ceramic coating.
Okay.
Like the gloss parts. Yeah. Okay. So let's do the gloss and then let's do the things. Just. Oh, that's flimsy, huh?
Yeah. See, I gotta
So we'll do the bottom
put
parts.
a bolt in there.
Just because they're like at the bottom already, you know? Alright, so that part, so it has to dry. So we have a mat, which is what we're gonna use for your mat, your satin wrap.
Okay.
And then we have a leather shield, which is what I was talking to you about for your seats.
Ooh.
Which we'll leave for the last. And then we have gloss as well. It's the Moe's. So I'm gonna have to get a new one of that actually. So we can go over here. We'll get need a buffing towel. And so we have one for the gloss. And we have a clean buffing towel for the matte.
Okay.
Both for the satin. But we're going to use a matte ceramic coating. So, and then we need another one for the prep. So I'm gonna grab one more and then we're gonna prep the whole car and then we'll move on to the ceramic coating.
Cool.
Oh shit, this is like literally, it's rainbowing so fast.
Oh.
You see that right there?
You can't really tell on the video.
It's rainbowing so fast.
What's going on, everybody? So I totally forgot to do an outro. As you saw in the video, it was raining. We thought it was gonna stop. So yeah, we did ceramic coat the car. Obviously didn't cure properly because you're supposed to let about 2 weeks to let the ceramic cure. The car is ceramic coated, just not properly. Still continued to rain when I went home, and then it rained the next morning. Imagine, like, yeah, it's a big fuck up all around. It's not too bad, thank goodness, but yeah, there's quite a bit of raindrops. They're pretty imprinted on the wrap. You can see, yeah, you can. I like to believe that it's somewhat salmon coated. I'm gonna have to redo it again. I'm just gonna have to redo it. But I wanna show you guys the difference. So I changed the petal pattern. So it at least has like a petal leaf type of thing going up. So it's not all over the place. And I had taken a lot of it off right here because it was just too much. It was just so much going on. It was a little too all over the place. So I kind of designed it to make it a little bit, kind of looks butterfly-ish, don't you think? Myra from Formula G was helping me out, teaching me more on how to detail the car a lot more properly, especially around the wheels, because I do a basic wash. As you guys seen in my videos, I've done a basic wash. I haven't done the 2-bucket method. I should start doing that. I know the reasoning now for it, but I was always just washing the wheels, rinse it out, soap and whatnot. And then, yeah, you're putting your mitt back in dirty water and putting it back on the car. That's what I was usually doing. It's always better to do the 2-bucket method. But yeah, I need better soap. The soap that I have has wax in it. So I gotta go tomorrow, buy some more soap. And It is what it is, guys. You know, you just learn through the process. You learn your do's and your don'ts, okay? It's my first time ever trying to ceramic coat a car on my own with someone with me. It is what it is. We thought it was gonna stop raining. We should have not ceramic coated the car, but you know what happens. Arizona, you never, obviously you never know. And the continuous rain wasn't supposed to happen, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I am washing the car tomorrow, but the soap I have is wax in it, especially on the mat. So note to self, regular car soap, no polish or wax wash on a mat. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the subscribers that are newly entering my adventures. Toodles.